Hello guys, Mehul here back again with another new video, and today's video gonna be specifically for logo makers, logo makers. Sorry, logo designers. So today's website, obviously it's a website. It tests your logo on the basis of a tons of parameters and see if it's good or not, and it's totally based upon AI. Now, one thing that is, it's not accurate. So keep that in mind. It's not accurate, but yeah, it's 75% accurate. You can say that it's 75 to 80% accurate, because I have seen some of the logos that are like quite okay in some of the parameters, but it's showing it's not okay. So obviously there are some times I have seen this. So let's get straight in the website without wasting any time. So here is our today's site, but I don't know what they call this site, because in the URL they have said logotester.thework.market. In the title of the website they have said, is your logo good? And in the website page they have said, how good is your logo? So I have no clue what they call it. Whatever, it tests your logo. It tests your logo on the basis of four parameters, that is uniqueness, scalability, on background, and like background tolerance and color. So uniqueness, we all know what is uniqueness, that is your logo is unique or not. The scalability, if we all of us designers know what is scalability, like the logo should look good in big billboards as well as in tiny mobile apps, like tiny symbol of a mobile app, or just a tiny symbol of that favicon icon that we see in browsers. Background tolerance, so background tolerance is a thing that obviously you can see here. What is background tolerance? So your logo must perform well on different backgrounds. Another thing, and the last thing is the logo color schemes, like logo is uh like maintaining one color scheme or not, like single color, monochrome color, analogous color, complementary, split complementary, triad. So they basically have all of the color schemes and the color difference also, and number of colors also. Okay, so I have uploaded the logo. Nike logo, actually they have already marked it at 100%. So I have uploaded that logo only to see again how it looks. So obviously there it has a great feature that if you are working with a client, so you can upload the logo and share the link to him, so he can also see all of the details. Okay, so it's great, but why have I said that it's not a perfect website? So in terms of uniqueness, it does a great job. It always detects it like finely. But in terms of scalability, it lacks. Obviously, it lacks time to times, because obviously you can see in this here, like in this favicon, this Nike logo is not looking good. It's not scalable. Obviously, by no means it's scalable. Like, oh, how can you even see that? Like, if it's here, I would not even bother about it, but whatever. And not just about this Nike logo, but I have seen it for many of logo of mines and for others as well, that it doesn't detect the scalability perfectly, to be honest. The next thing is background tolerance. Background tolerance is also quite good, but another drawback of them is, if it is measuring the background tolerance. Okay, let me give, like, I have a logo that is of two version, like it has a dark mode version, it has a light mode version as well. So let me upload both of the version of the logos, then compare it in the background tolerance. But no, you can upload only one logo at a time. So that is also something you should consider before using it, but you can get an overview of it. So if anyone from this site watching this, please add this feature, because often we have two version of same logos, one for dark mode, one for like white mode, and we need both to be compared in a same logo file, like same link, whatever, like whatever you say, this same session. So that thing we need it, so obviously. And another thing is color. So it most of the time it detects the color, like color visibility and all, like color parameters perfectly. So yeah, that's it about this website. Please use it. I use it a lot to get a basic overview of the logo I made, and you can obviously use it. And please let me know if you like it or not. If you like my videos, please do subscribe to my channel. And if you know about some of the cool apps, some of the great resources, or some useful web apps, productive web apps, please let me know about all of them in the comments so I can feature them in my future videos. So bye for now.